In the text functions, yesterday we are discussing about the format, right? In the format, how we are giving the date formats in that particular by using format function that we discuss it, right? So in format, how many ways we can return it? Okay, there are multiple ways is there, right? Or the ways, first is date format. Okay, we can mention the different date formats whichever is required by using format function, right? Sorry, 1 second. So this is that means the format function will return some multiple outputs, right? So one of the output it is so different date formats by using format function that we discussed yesterday, right? So that means in that first you need to mention the date column in the after that. Okay, in the double quotes, which format you wanted, that format you have to write it here itself, right? So whichever date format you are writing, you write it here. So based on that format only, it will be displayed. Understand or not? Okay. So like this, we can generate the different date formats. Okay. Next one is from by using format function, we can display the different ways like month number, year, and month name, and day. Okay, week. Okay, and week name also. Though those things also we can display it in the format function. Okay, let's see how it. Okay, so for that what you need to do is in this new column. Okay, if I want to display day, okay, day wise, if I want to, that means from the date column, if I want to extract the day part, then we have to use format function only. Okay, so format of underscore extract. Okay, in this one function itself, I am generating a different day number, week, or month number, mm, or year. If you want to extract it, means using format. See here in the format, whatever the date column is there, first you have to mention the date column. After that, in the double quotes itself, you have to give what you wanted. If you want a day, means you either you can give single day or double day. Then what will happen from the date column, the day part will be extracted. Okay, that means the day part means here, what is the day in the date column here, Ravi?
25.
25, 24, 22.
24,
If it is a
20.
month, means what is the month here it is available?
December 12.
Yeah, only that, not only that one, right? Remaining also it is there. Remaining rows, what is that
Yes.
one? December, June,
December,
March,
June, March, July, May.
like that. Okay.
Like
That means suppose it, from the date column, if you want to extract the day, if you want to extract the day, then you have to use either single day or double day. You have to write it here. If it is a single day, what will happen? means single D means so before if your days are there in 1 to 9, before that value zeros won't be there. Exactly whatever value day value is there, that it will be displayed. If you write a 2 days, what will happen? If your days are there in between 1 to 9, before that value 0 will be added. Understand, Swagat? Either you can give single D, either you can give single D or double D. Single D means as it is, whatever days are there, that as it is will be displayed. Okay. If you give double D, okay, then what will happen is if your day is there in between 1 to 9, okay, 1 to 9 days, if your day is there 1 to 9 days, then before that value 0 will be added. Understand? Suppose, for example, I want to display month name. Oh, sorry, month number. For month number, what format you need to give? Single M. If you give single M or two M's you need to give. If you give single M, what will happen? Now you will understand what is D's, single D and double D's, what it is there. Hello. Swagat, are you there?
Yes, Vijay, I am there.
See here. If it is single M, what will happen? That means whatever month part is there, if it is month part, as it is value will be displayed. Suppose December, what is the month number will be there? That 12. Okay. If it is June, see here it is June value is there. June for what is the value? 6. March it is 3, 7, 5 like that. Understand? If I want to, from the date column, if I want to extract the month, either you can give single M or two M's. Okay, single M means as it is, whatever month name is there in this particular date, that it will be displayed. If it is double M, okay, if it is double M, what will happen means, so if your month is there in between 1 to 9, then before that value 0 will be added. Understand, Swagat?
Yes, Vijay.
That means, can you please tell me, Swagat, what values are getting here?
First is 12, next is 06, 03, 07, 05.
Excellent, man. See, like this. Now you understand single D and double D.
Yes.
Now you understand single D and double D or not?
Yes, Vijay.
That means in the date column, whatever day part is there, that it will be shows here. Okay. If it is single D, okay, then as it is day part, that means from this date column, what is the day part here? 25, 24, 22, 26, 15. That value will be displayed. But if those days are between 1 to 9 is there, okay, then in double D, what will happen is before day 0 will be added. How month will be displayed? Same like that. Okay, if your month is there in between 1 to 9, okay, then before that month number 0 will be added, right? Same like that for day also it is displaying the same thing. Understand? Okay, for 2D, either you can give 2 days or single day. Okay, next one is 3 days. Okay, if you give 3 days, what will happen? The shortcut of the week name will be displayed. Understand? So that means 25th December 2019. On which week it is running, that week name, the shortcut of the week name will be displayed. Okay, suppose for example, okay, just go to that particular perspective. In 2019, December 25th. Okay, if you select this one, See here, December 2019, 20, that means in which week it is running? Wednesday, right? That means the shortcut of the Wednesday means WED will be displayed. Understand clearly, Swagat, Ravi?
Yes, Vijay.
Yes, Vijay.
That means if it is 3Ds means that particular date in which week it is running, that shortcut of the week name will be displayed. See here. If you want to display the complete week name, then what you need to give here? Then you need to give 4Ds. 4Ds means complete week name will be displayed. Wednesday, Sunday, and Thursday, like this. That means that this particular date that means in which week it is running, that week name it will be displayed if it is 4Ds. If you give 3Ds, the shortcut of the week name will be displayed. Similar like month also. Okay. If you give single M means the month number. For 2Ms also month number only it will be displayed. Okay. For single M and month double M, you know the difference, right? And you know the difference between single M, double M, Swagat?
Yes, Vijay.
Yes, Vijay.
Okay, so we can give 3Ms also. 3Ms means the shortcut of the month name will be displayed. That means what is the month here? December, right? See here, December, June. That means from the date column, if you want to display the month related month number or month name, okay, so you have to use a format function. In the format, if you give 3Ms means the shortcut of the month name will be displayed. If it is 4Ms means the full month name will be displayed. Full month name will be displayed. Understand? So suppose for example, okay, so this is about M's. Okay, Vijay, can we give more than 4M's? Yes, you can give it. But if you give more than 4M's, then it will be generated with a different way. Like see, like this it will be displayed. Maximum in real time also up to 4M's only we need to use it. Up to 4M's only we need to use it. Okay. So if you want to display the year also, you can display it. Suppose from the date column, if you want to display the shortcut of the year, that means for that 2Ys. If you give 2Ys means from the year part, last 2 digits will be displayed. Understand? That means what is the output it is getting, Ravi? If you give 2Ys means from the date column, in the year part, the last 2 digits will be displayed. Can you please tell me
19,
what is output?
first one 19, second one 18, third one 15, and
Yes,
20, 14.
yes, like that. Okay, understand? Either you need to give 2Ys or 4Ys only. Don't give like single Y, 3Ys like that. Either you can give 2Ys or we can give 4Ys only. In real time, most of the times we need to use 4Ys only. Understand? 4Ys means when you give 4Ys means it is like from the date column, year part will be extracted. See here, the year part will be extracted. That means from the date column, year part will be extracted. Like this, if you want to display anything means like this, we can display. That means from the date column, if you want to extract the month, you have to use month format like a MM. Either you can give single M or you can give double M. If you want to display month name, then for shortcut of the month name, 3Ms you need to give it. If you want full month name means 4Ms. Like that, for day and year also we need to extract from the date column. Understand? Okay, Vijay, then tell me. in the datetime functions, you have, if you want to extract the, month number, year and day for those things, what are all the functions are there, Ravi, in the datetime functions? In datetime functions, if I want to extract the month or year or a day, what functions are there in datetime functions? Ravi?
Yes, Vijay.
What functions are there? If you want to extract the month from the date column, if you want to extract the month, the day, year, for that what functions we use it? What functions we use it? We are using like day, month and year, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So by using these functions, we can get the day, year and month part from the date column, right? But as well
Yes.
as from by using format function also, we can extract a day, month and year. Okay. So what is the
Okay.
difference between by using format extracting the month number and day? What is the difference between what is the difference between by using format also we can generate month numbers, right? By using day function also we can display the day number and everything, right? Then what is the difference? That means in the format, if you want to display month, year, a day means, then those written type of the values are text data type. Okay, but if you use day function, month function and year function, by using those function, if you generate any particular value, then the return type of the values are numeric. Remember, don't forget it. This is very important. Okay, by using format, if you display month number, year or day, then those return types are in text data type. By using day, month and year, okay, those return types are numeric data types. Understand? So this is how we need to generate it. Okay, so suppose for example, so if I go to the Google there, IST time now. If it is IST time now, so what is the format it is showing? 6:22 p.m. and Tuesday 6 December 2022. It is displaying like this, right? Same like that I want to display it. Then how we need to display? In format only we need to display. Let's see how can I display the plan. Okay, first you need to pass the date column, and in the double quotes, so for example, sorry, not the date column. Okay, if I want to display the current date and time, what function we have to use it, Ravi?
Now function.
Now function, right? So here itself in the
Yeah.
format in place of column name, we need to write a now function. Okay, so because this all this is current date and time only, right? That's the reason now function I use in place of column name. I'm using now function. By using this now function, whichever format you want it, you can display it. Suppose hour and minute related I want to display, then what format you have to give? Like HH, like mm. Okay, this is how you need to give it. For hour related, HH you need to give, and colon for minutes related, you need to give. Okay, and after that you need to give some space. For AM or PM, for displaying AM or PM, okay, AM by PM you have to give it. You have to give AM by PM. After this, next Tuesday. Tuesday means what value we need to write it here for displaying the week name. Then what we need to write it here, Swagat?
D.
D means how many Ds we need to write it?
4 Ds.
Very good. Very good, Swagat.
4 Ds.
4 Ds. If you give 4 Ds, then Tuesday it will be. After that, what value is there? Comma is there. So I'm putting comma here. And after that, what value is there here? 6. 6 means day. Day means what value we need to give here?
2 Ds.
No, 2 Ds or 1 D. 1 D is enough, right?
No, 1 D. Yeah.
Because only 6 is there. That's the reason. Okay. Next to space. Space is there. After space, what it is displaying? December. For December, what we need to, which format we need to give it here?
4 Ms.
Ma'am. Next one. Year. Year means 4 Ys, right?
2 Ys.
That means whichever format you want, that you have to mention in the double quotes. And if you, whichever format you have to mention, in that format only it will be displayed. See here. Understand? 0626 PM Tuesday 6 December 2022, like that, as it is, it will be displayed. Understand? So this is how, see here in the format, whichever not only giving 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. So if you give this format also, okay, so whichever format you want to display it, just you need to give it. See here, I'm giving for hours HH, colon, minutes, MM. Okay, for AM or PM, you need to give AM by PM. Okay, after that space and give 4 Ds for displaying the week name. For displaying the day, it is single day. Like that, whichever format you required it, just you need to mention there itself, then automatically it will return based on that value. Understand, Swagat and Ravi?
Yes, Vijay.
Yes, clear, Vijay.
Okay, this is the second form, second option. What is the next option? It is next option is if you want to convert the numeric value to currency values, okay, then we have to use format function. See here. Suppose whatever numeric value is there, you need to pass the numeric value. That means find is the numeric value, right? That I am passing. And after that, in the double quotes, you need to give which currency. Suppose I am giving dollar. Okay, dollar dot zero I'm giving here. Okay, that means the value it is showing with the dollar value. See here how the dollar values. Suppose if you don't want a zero values means like this. Okay. Okay, so must and should point to 0 is required. Okay. Understand? So that means, so whatever dollar you wanted, just you need to mention in the double quotes itself currency value. Whatever currency you wanted, just you have to mention in the currency dot how many decimal places you wanted, because the currency values also decimal values will be there, right? $30.56, 30.45, like that it will be there, right? So you have to mention dot single zero means single decimal place value only it is showing. If you give double zero means then 2 decimal places values it will be displayed like this. Understand? Is it clear or not? Okay. So this is how it will works. Next one is left function that we discuss it, right, Ravi? Can we discuss the left function? I think we discussed it, right?
No, Vijay.
Don't say no here. Here it is, the proof is there. Okay. See here. First you have to practice it, man.
విజయ్ లెఫ్ట్ ఫంక్షన్ అంటే మనం ఒకటి ప్రీవియస్లీ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ లో ఒక ఫంక్షన్ డిస్కస్ చేశాం కదా, అదే సేమా?
Yeah.
అంటే
Left characters, right characters. In extract, you will see left characters and right characters, right?
అంటే మనం రిబ్బన్ లో ఒక కమాండ్ ట్రై చేశాం కదా, కమాండ్ నేమ్
చూడండి అయితే ఒకసారి. అంటే see here in home tab you will see transform data. In transform data you will see extract, right? In the extract you will see the left characters and right characters, right? See,
అదే సేమ్ ఆప్షన్.
yeah, first characters means left characters, the last characters means right. Okay,
మనం స్ప్లిట్ బై కూడా చేసి చేయొచ్చు కదా?
Yeah, anything you can do it, but these options are also it is there. You have to remember, that's it. Okay. Left means
functioning and the same.
Yeah, functioning is same. Okay. That means in left function what will happen here? So first you need to mention the column name, and after that numeric value you need to pass it. So from that column, from the left side onward, those number of characters only it will be displayed. That it is called as left. Okay. Same like right also. Right means from the right side onwards, whatever column we are mentioning, from that column right side onward, those number of characters it will be displayed.
Okay.
Next one is length. Length means, so in each and every cell, how many number of characters are there, it will count and it will give the result. That it is called as length. Suppose for example length of, just you need to mention the column name here itself. See, length of right column you have to mention it. Length of right column means what will happen here it is. So in that right column, how many number of characters are there in each and every cell, that it will be displayed. Understand? That means in the right column, how many number of characters are there? 4 characters here, and here it is. That means in each and every cell, how many number of characters are there, it will count and it will give the result. That it is called as length. Next one is lower. That means lower means it will be converted into lower case letters. It will be converted into lower case letters. Okay. That means so just once again. Next one is lower function. Okay, lower of, suppose for example, not only lower, if you mention upper also, upper of that column name you have to mention it. Whichever column you are mentioning it, in that particular column, whatever characters are there, those characters will be converted into uppercase letters. Okay. So when you click on this one, see in the right column, whatever values are there, see all the column values will be converted into uppercase letters. Understand or not? Okay, same similar for lower also. Okay, if you apply the lower function means, then the lower function, that means lower of that particular column name, then immediately those values it will be converted into lowercase letters. Understand, Swagat?
Yes, Vijay.
Okay, next one is we have to use mid function. Okay, mid is very important function. Mid is nothing but if you want to extract the part of the string, then we have to use a function called mid. Okay. Mid of, that means suppose you mention a column name. Suppose for example, format underscore extract is there, right? That first you have to mention the column name. Okay, that means in that particular format underscore extract column, from which part to which part characters you wanted, that it will be displayed. Suppose 1, from which position to, that means each character we can call it as 1 position. Okay, that means here format underscore extract is there, right? This is the one. In this, what is the first character? 2, 0, 1. That means 0 is the second position, 1 is the third position, 9 is the fourth position. Like that, in each and every cell, one character we can call it as a positions. Okay, that means in from which position onwards you need to start. Suppose I'm giving 1. Okay, that means from the left side onward, from the first position to how many number of characters? I'm giving 3. Okay, if I'm giving 3 means 1 to 3 characters here. That means format underscore extract 1 to how many 3 digits means 201, 201, 201, 202, 202, 201. Like that it will be displayed. Understand clearly, Swagat? Mid means if you want to extract the part of the string from the complete text itself, from which position to which position characters you want, by using mid we can generate it. Is it clear or not, Swagat?
Yes, Vijay.
Okay, so by using this mid function we can display this one. Understand clearly? So so we can stop it here. When we will continue tomorrow, and tomorrow we will complete this text functions and we need to go for other category of functions. Okay, but Swagat and Ravi, okay, you guys need to be practice more, otherwise it's very difficult for you on